How to manage and change your blog or website time zone on Blogger. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Blogger. Now this is the home page as you can see right here, and all what you have to do here is simple. Now click here on settings, and all what you have to do now is scroll down until you find this formatting option and click on time zone. Now from here you can manage and change your time zone easy and fast. After you choose your time zone, click save and everything is gonna be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.